Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best wireless keyboards on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Corsair K100 Air Wireless RGB. Corsair's K100 Air Wireless RGB represents a unique and innovative approach in the world of gaming keyboards. Boasting an incredibly slim profile, it stands out as the thinnest mechanical gaming keyboard from a prominent gaming brand. At just 11 mm thick at its slimmest point, it harks back to the chiclet keys of the past while delivering a remarkable mechanical keyboard typing and gaming experience. Despite areas for potential improvement, such as the shine on the keycaps, Corsair has executed the design and functionality admirably. Priced at $279, it sits in the higher price range, but its feature-rich design and overall satisfaction make it a standout choice in its class. The K100 Air Wireless RGB is a testament to Corsair's commitment to pushing boundaries. Number 2. Redragon K596 Vishnu. The Redragon K596 Vishnu may not be a household name in the US gaming scene, but its $70 price tag brings an impressive array of features. This tankless wireless gaming keyboard boasts RGB lighting, dedicated macro and media keys, a metal volume rocker, and linear switches. It even includes a wrist rest, albeit made of hard plastic. At less than half the price of more well-known competitors, the K596 Vishnu offers a compelling option for budget-conscious gamers. The keyboard feels sturdy and comfortable for gaming and typing, although the plastic shell may give off a slightly cheap appearance. Some design quirks, like the secondary labeling of F1 F8 as media controls despite dedicated media buttons nearby, and narrow, crowded programmable G keys, add some eccentricity. Number 3. Razer Blackwidow V3 Pro. The Razer Blackwidow V3 Pro earns its spot as a favorite wireless gaming keyboard by delivering a full-size, full-height mechanical switch experience with premium features. Equipped with high-end double-shot ABS plastic keycaps that resist smudges better than rivals, the keyboard's aluminum top plate adds durability and aesthetic appeal. The inclusion of a plush leatherette magnetic wrist rest and 4 onboard memory profiles enhances the overall user experience. While the keyboard offers 7 RGB effects stored in its memory, accessing additional RGB customization requires the use of software. Notably, the Blackwidow V3 Pro lacks macro keys, a feature found in competitors like the Logitech G915 Lightspeed. Number 4. Asus ROG Azoth. The Asus ROG Azoth stands out as the best wireless gaming keyboard, delivering speed, responsiveness, and reliability during gaming, coupled with a highly satisfying typing experience. Offering extensive customization options, from its 2-inch OLED screen to its hot-swappable switches, the ROG Azoth provides users with full control over their gaming keyboard experience. The inclusion of a comprehensive accessory kit, complete with a DIY lube station, enhances its appeal for those seeking a personalized setup. As a gasket mount mechanical keyboard with hot-swappable switches, available with Asus NX switches in red/linear, brown/tactile, or blue/clicky, per key RGB lighting, and double-shot PBT keycaps, the ROG Azoth combines versatility with performance. Number 5. SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL Wireless. This SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL Wireless adopts the sturdy, minimal, and more generic-looking chassis design from the Apex Pro Mini, enhancing it with the company's updated and highly customizable dual actuation on-the-point 2.0 optical switches. Packed with premium features like an aluminum alloy top plate, double-shot PBT keycaps, bright per key RGB lighting, and a detachable magnetic wrist rest, the keyboard exudes quality. The roomier TKL layout allows for dedicated media keys and a customizable OLED smart display, providing an excellent and highly customizable gaming experience. Unlike its predecessor, the Apex Pro TKL Wireless is available in both wired and wireless versions, offering users the flexibility to choose their preferred mode of connectivity. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.